Nkosi yami mandibulise emakhaya egameni lenkosi uJesu. Lithi iBhayibheli we are wonderfully made. Wenzwe kakuhle. Noba abantu bathi ukhangeleka njengendlovu, ukhangeleka njengehagu, zininzi mani izilwanyane ezikhoyo, zininzi shapes, but you are what? You are wonderfully made, created inside and out. Wenzwe nguThixo. Go and tell that one that you are no longer the shape uSathane becifama uyiyo. Go uhambe moya uhambe uzidle. I am what? I am wonderfully made. Endlini, I am what? I am wonderfully made. Emsebenzini, I am what? I am wonderfully made. Usiyo ku ATM, I am what? I am wonderfully made. Uqhuba lo moto yakho, you are what? You are wonderfully made. As you sleep, you are wonderfully made. As upheka, you are wonderfully made. Speak the word, you are wonderfully made. May the good God bless you. Amen.